Ooh, look at that.
Oh,
Mother. Yes.
this is a kid show.
We're gonna make some campfire banh mis, but we're gonna do it a little camp style with some Spam. Yeah, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do that potted meat.
Ooh.
We're going to Vietnam, right here in Arkansas. You gotta have them
On the bias.
Man, this knife is just, well, it's campy, I'll just say that. That is right there.
Go ahead. Yep.
Mild. Well, the magic happens.
Ooh. Have you ever had Spam?
Yeah, I have. I don't know how to get out of here, though.
There you go. I've never had it.
Nice.
Boink!
It's like ham, but with an S and a P.
So basically nothing like ham.
I think it's a fat-free product.
Is it?
I don't know.
So we're gonna do them.
Thin slices? Okay.
Let's get this hot.
Yep.
We're gonna do that potted meat. What's it say?
Mechanically separated chicken.
Ooh.
Yep, potted meat.
Who wants to go to the hospital?
That's right.
So this is going to be our schmear. It tastes like tuna fish.
Well, not really. I want to make sure we have enough schmear.
That doesn't taste like tuna fish.
Yeah, it's a little fishy.
That'd be
Oh,
fire.
man.
Okay.
That's all right. I'm going to start buying that.
What are you going to do with it?
That was not the intended outcome of this episode, but okay.
Ooh, that's looking ripping hot right there.
Yep. Hot. Put one here and one here.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Spam on.
Ooh.
This is going to be the best / easiest banh mi ever.
I don't know about best, but it's
Hey, come on now. Come on now.
We should have taken that fishing today. Probably would have better luck.
That's true. You true.
I like my Spam medium rare.
You ain't never had it till tonight. You don't know how you like your Spam.
Ooh, that's perfect right there. What was that one? Ooh, so juicy.
That's our Spam. Josh.
Hang on, we're filming.
That smells so good. I want to eat that.
All right, we're going to toast these buns
How?
in the Spam fat.
What?
Yeah. They're
Do
gonna
it.
be Good.
Oh, Spam fat.
Spam fat.
Spam fat. Spam fat. Spam fat. Spam fat. We gotta finish it off with our special sauce. A sriracha mayo.
What kind of mayo you got there?
Dukes. Man,
Hey,
you
Dukes.
know how we do.
Dukes, if you want to sponsor a YouTube channel.
This is your invite.
I know.
Please?
We
Okay.
got 7 subscribers. I'm a subscriber.
Yeah, me too. Who else around here subscribes to Dinner High Five?
I'm a subscriber.
Uh-oh.
All right, 4, 5,
Representing 6 of the 7.
6. Shout out to number 7. We don't know who you are. We love you.
Probably our mom. Nothing but stems.
Yeah, that's all stems.
Thanks.
There we go. All right. Let's make one.
Yeah,
Shall
assemble.
we?
Finally, come
Do
on.
we have more paper plates?
I'm hungry.
We're going to smear on the bottom because you know that pot of meat smear's got to go on the top. Some of that. Jalapenos. You know they got a little zing to them. Ooh. Pickled daikon, onion, and carrot. Oh, dude, now that smells extra funky.
Yeah, it does. That daikon.
That is extra funky.
Oh, that does smell funky. Man, that smells like a foot.
Okay.
Slop.
Look at this. You got that?
That looks amazing right there.
Look at that. Look at that.
Gum.
Look at that. Campfire banh mi.
Hold up. What you think? Yeah?
Oh, yeah. The schmear, the Spam, the jalapenos.
What about that zing of them pickles?
Oh, yeah. That's, yeah. Got that nice foot kick.
Make these campfire banh mis. Even if you're not camping.
You got the Spam caramelized over the fire.
Yep. You have some quick pickled carrots, red onions, daikon radish, some sriracha mayo, some cilantro, some jalapenos. That's right. Bing. And some toasty Spam bread. Did it. Nailed it.
Nice.
Oh!